Hey traders, Andy here. So hope you guys are well. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a trade that I took and also talk about the importance of being prepared so that you can basically trade without having to be fully alert, right? So one of the things with successful trading is, we kind of say, you need to have good energy, you need to be alert, you need to have clarity when you're making a trading decision. And I absolutely do stand by that. It's really, really important. However, sometimes we've got things going on in our lives. And right now, for example, I know you guys already know, I've just had a baby and I'm not getting much sleep. In fact, very, very little sleep. But of course, trading is my livelihood and I still need to look for opportunities. So the great thing is that I've done the analysis when I have been alert. So often when I look at my charts, it will take me all of a few minutes to make a trading decision. All I need to do is look at my charts, see where we are, get the alert, and then I can just go and make the decision, just decide how much I'm going to risk, which is already set in my plan, and then place the trade. So let me just share with you guys a trade that I took on Bitcoin, and also what I think is going to happen next on Bitcoin and where we are right now, because I know Bitcoin's had a little bit of a rally, people got a bit excited, and I just kind of want to go through that with you guys. So let me just increase this screen here so that we are looking at the same thing. So here's the trade that I took, right? So I'll just show you my FTX account. By the way, if you haven't opened up an FTX account, I really, really like their futures platform. I can put a link in the description, in the email. We can also get a 5% discount on your fees if you haven't already done it. It's definitely worth opening up an account and depositing a little bit of money. It's free for deposits, free for withdrawals, so pretty good platform. So far, my experience has been great. So that's FTX. So guys, here's and I'm going to show you on the chart. So basically, I put an order in. I bought at 29,831. Now, bear in mind, I was in the hospital for most of the time. I literally looked at my charts and thought, wow, looks great. Bitcoin looks like it's going to go up. And I put an order at 29,831 and a take profit at basically 32,547. Now, I'll just show you where that was specifically. So here was my order. Right here, 29,853, about there. Right, that's what we bought, and I'll share with you what I was looking at, and there was my target, 32,544, about there. We've pretty much caught the whole move. So I mean, those are just the perfect trade setups. And it literally took me a couple of minutes to decide, yes, I'm buying this. So I didn't need to be fully alert. Why? Because I have specific rules, guys, specific rules that allow me to make these decisions, right? So I need 3 reasons. Well, look at this line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. There's one reason. Second reason, the beginnings of a Morningstar candle formation, indecision bars. So that's 1, 2 reasons. We had just hit the extension Fibonacci, which is expected to turn. That's 3 reasons. The stochastic RSI oversold, 4 reasons. And the money flow oversold, 5 reasons to take that trade. Well, that's more than what I need. And why did I take my profit where I took it? Well, could this go higher? Yes, it could. But look, we have reached a point of resistance, right? And this is what I want to kind of talk about next, right? So as you can kind of see there from what I've just shown you, I've just taken the high probability move and I've come out. Now, people might be thinking, well, why don't you hold it and see if it goes a bit more? Or should we go short here? Look, I am looking for high probability, quality trades. That's all I care about. That's what I'm looking for. Once I find them, I take the easy move, I get out, I cash it. And that's pretty much how I'm growing my trading account. You know, I mean, you don't need a lot of money once you understand that this is what you need to do. You just need to be ready and prepared, right? Ready and prepared. And look, I haven't had much sleep. I am, like I said, it's probably going to be like that for the next few months for me. But I can't use that as an excuse. I've still got to make my trade. I've still got to make my returns. So, you know, that's kind of really the main thing I wanted to share. And I'll just quickly update you on Bitcoin and where we are right now. We're at a key point here on Bitcoin. I think this is obviously we've got that resistance line there. And if you kind of look at this daily chart, you know, if you kind of recall, I've spoken about this before, there's a lot of reaction on this yellow line here. You can see support, resistance, support, support, resistance, 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 and we are there right now. And so I think it's a really, really key time right now for Bitcoin. We've had a little bit of an increase in volume, which is bullish. If we can see a push up and a close above this line, we might get a little bit more of a push up, right? I mean, but we are at resistance and we've been here before and the market has held. You know, the one thing, as I said, is we have got a little bit of an increase in volume, which might be a good sign. But don't forget, guys, the bigger picture still isn't bullish. We've got the red crossing the green, which is the 50, crossing the 200. That is a long-term bearish signal. So it could be a case that maybe if we can pass this yellow line, maybe we might just go and find another point of resistance, maybe on those EMAs. If we use that as a projection, possibly we could even potentially, you know, we could even do that and then still go down. So I wouldn't be kind of getting too excited just yet, guys. I mean, this is a good, this would be great if we can kind of go and test this high up here, these old support areas up here. I think anybody who's long, I would definitely be looking to cash in here, let the market break through, and then you can start to really position long with a bit more confidence in Bitcoin. But right now, this is a key point. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here, if we can break it or not. Actually, I should have made this a little bit bigger for you guys. Let me just to show you again, look, this old support here. And, you know, as I said, but remember, we've got these, the 50 EMA is the first resistance point. We've got the 200 EMA as a resistance point. And then we've got this next level up here as well. So that's roughly 35, guys. 38 and a half, and then about 41, 42-ish, 42 and a half would be your third level of resistance. And I think those are going to be your sort of next level targets. If we can break through here, that's where I'd be looking for. So again, 35, 38 and a half, and about 42 and a half. All right, guys, hope that helps. Have a great day, whatever is left of it. And, you know, I'll be with you again soon with another video. For now, take care, guys, and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.